Want 200% more veggies with more butterflies? Welcome to rootInsect.com.
200% sounds wild, but it makes sense. When you turbocharge pollination, fruit set and seed production can skyrocket. Butterflies aren't just pretty, they're working the day shift alongside bees.
Exactly. A focused butterfly pollinator garden next to your crops can turn a so-so harvest into a bumper one. More visits mean more complete pollination, more peppers per plant, fuller berry clusters, fewer misshapen squash.
Let's start with the core recipe. Step 1, go native. Plants that evolved with local pollinators pay you back. Think milkweeds for monarchs, coneflowers, bee balm, blazing star, asters, goldenrod, and native sunflowers.
And plant for all seasons. Early bloomers feed spring flyers, summer workhorses keep energy high, and late blooms like aster and goldenrod fuel migrations and fall egg laying. Continuous nectar is your yield insurance.
Layout matters. Cluster the same species in groups of 3-5 so butterflies can browse efficiently. Create a layered canopy. Taller perennials in back, medium in the middle, ground covers up front, to offer shelter from wind and predators.
Add a puddling station. A shallow dish with water, sand, and a few stones gives butterflies minerals and a safe drink. Keep it shallow, they're not swimmers.
Go easy on the tidy. A little leaf litter and hollow stems left over winter provide shelter. Then do your big cleanup in late winter, not fall.
Pesticides? Treat them like the emergency brake. Set action thresholds. Only intervene if damage truly threatens plant health. If you must act, try hand picking, strong water sprays, row covers on veggies, and least toxic options targeted at night when butterflies aren't flying.
Soil is your silent partner. Compost, mulch, and avoid synthetic fertilizers. Healthier soil means sturdier plants with richer nectar. Pollinators notice.
Quick starter plan for anyone listening.
People always ask, can I do this on a balcony? Yes. Think vertical, hanging baskets with native salvias, a narrow trough of coneflower and black-eyed Susan, and a small water dish. Even a meter of flowers can make a difference.
Common mistakes to skip: planting only one bloom time, scattering single plants instead of clumps, overwatering containers so roots rot, mowing down messy winter stems too early, and buying non-native ornamentals that look great but feed no one.
And don't forget host plants. Nectar feeds adults, foliage feeds caterpillars. Milkweed for monarchs, violets for fritillaries, spicebush for swallowtails. If you want butterflies, feed the kids.
Results? Gardeners who tuck a dense pollinator strip beside cucumbers, squash, berries, and peppers often see fruit set double or even triple versus control beds. More visits per flower equal more seeds per fruit, which often means bigger, better-tasting produce.
There are community wins too. Pollinator gardens lower maintenance costs over time, teach kids real ecology, and even boost curb appeal. Urban programs that replace turf with native blooms report more butterflies and fewer irrigation cycles.
Future-forward ideas: green roofs with native prairie mixes, hedgerows along fences, and edible pollinator combos. Think thyme, oregano, and blueberries alongside asters and bee balm. Beauty, food, and biodiversity in one swipe.
Maintenance is surprisingly light. 10-minute weekly checks, top up the puddle, deadhead lightly for more blooms, and leave late-season seed heads for fall nectar and winter birds.
Bottom line, if you want that 200% yield bump, build a steady buffet, reduce chemical noise, and place it where your crops can see the traffic. The butterflies will do the rest.
Start small, start native, and start now. Your garden and your harvest will thank you.
Here's to bigger harvests, brighter yards, and butterflies everywhere. Plant with purpose.
That is all the time we have for today. Thank you for listening to rootInsect.com, Conversations with Grant and Fiona.